Hello everyone, myself Vaidehi and you're watching me on Brown Life. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how I got this look without applying any concealer or foundation. This is what I do on everyday basis. I live in green zone area, so my classes are still on and I had to look presentable that day. So I started with a good quality toner. There's nothing on my face right now. So I started with a toner and the one which I'm using is by the brand Plum Goodness. I actually transferred the toner into a spray bottle because that was really convenient for me. So I sprayed the toner all over my face. The maximum temperature where I live is like 44 or 45 degrees Celsius and 47.5 degrees Celsius in Nagpur, so it is like too hot everywhere. So I always prefer applying aloe vera gel over creams and moisturizer because I don't want my skin to get clogged. I think one of the most common benefits of aloe vera gel is that it soothes our skin, and that is what I was in need of. You can see I'm having a zit on the right side of my face and that was like really bothering me, so I chose for aloe vera gel over creams and moisturizers. If you still think that aloe vera gel is not giving you ultimate hydration, you can use your sunscreen as a hydrating agent. The sunscreen which I am using is suggested by my dermat and it has SPF 50 in it. I always prefer applying sunscreen all over my face even if I am at my home because my skin is really sensitive and it is allergic to harmful UV rays. You can use any sunscreen of your choice, but make sure it is paraben free, mineral oil free and urea free because that can also harm your skin in many ways. Okay, so I'm done applying sunscreen all over my face, my neck, also my lips and my ears, also those parts which are visible like my hands. Meanwhile, we will apply lip balm on our face, on our lips, and the one which I'm using is by Lakme Lip Love lip balm in the shade pink. At this point my hair were really bothering me, they were giving me sweating, so I clipped them at back. So let's just move on. Now I'm going to use talcum powder by Pond's, not the pink one which is quite famous in India but the yellow one because I love smelling this talcum powder. I took a lot of powder on my hand and I'm definitely going to dust it off for sure. I'm going to apply it all over my face because it is already summer and I don't want my face to look oily, so that's the reason I applied powder on my face. But agar winter hota then I would have skipped applying talcum powder. So remaining powder I dusted off, so like every Indian does, and applied it on my neck, on my ear, and blended away all the powder on my face. Now as I skip foundation and concealer, you can see all my flaws under my eyes, on my cheek area, my pimple spots are visible, my pimple is visible, and that's what I want. I'm not going to contour my cheek, my nose because we want to look presentable and not like a hi-fi society girl. Now we are going to fill our eyebrows. That is the step I never skip because this makes me look more presentable. I am using Wet n Wild's retractable eyebrow pencil and combing through my eyebrows. This step is very common. I have shown this step in most of my videos. After filling my eyebrows properly, I'm again going to comb through them because if there is any harsh line that is on my eyebrow area, it will get blended using the spoolie side. So I have shown this palette in two of my videos, that is Wet n Wild's Cosmic Collagen palette. I am using mustard transition color on my fluffy brush and applying the color all over my eyelid. I was going for my music classes and our ma'am is like really strict. She don't like when girls apply so much on their face, and that's the reason I'm not doing so much on my face. This eyeshadow step is not important, you can definitely skip this step. I just applied eyeshadow to add some color on my face. Meanwhile, we will just remove all the excess lip balm that is on our lips. So moving on to my eyelashes now, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Very common step. You have seen this step in most, like not most but all of my makeup videos. I like to curl my eyelashes, that makes me look awake. Now my favorite mascara of all time, that is Blue Heavens mascara. I'm going to apply it on my eyelashes, on my lower lash line. I don't know for no reason, but I love applying mascara. I never skip my mascara because I think they make me look more awake. I'm also going to apply mascara, like remaining mascara, on my eyebrow to set them in place. Now it's time to apply lipstick, and as I said earlier that I was going for my classes, so I cannot apply like a pop of color on my lips. I was going for a nude makeup which will not look like makeup. I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. So for that I'm using Lakme's Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color in the shade Vintage Pink. I have shown this lipstick in I think 2 or 3 of my videos. Now the most common step that I did in all of my videos, but you can definitely skip, this is just my way of looking beautiful or pretty, you can say. So I applied my eyeliner as a bindi, and that's how my makeup is done. Because I filmed this day, it took me almost 15 minutes to film the entire video, but if I'm not filming, it takes not more than 5 to 10 minutes. Now to smell good, I'm going to apply perfume by the brand Fog, and it's in the scent Paradise, one of my favorite perfumes. So this is what I do on everyday basis. You can see now my flaws are visible, my pimple is visible, pimple mark is visible, under eye darkness is visible, and I am completely fine with it. It doesn't mean that because I know how to do makeup I will hide away all my flaws. I'm a normal human being like you are, and this is what I do to look presentable. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. So I'll see you next time. Bye.